Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make tuna salad with eggs and mayo. Let's start by gathering our ingredients. You'll need 2 5-ounce cans of tuna, 3 hard-boiled eggs, and about 1/2 cup of your favorite mayonnaise. For a delightful crunch, we'll add 1/4 cup of finely chopped celery and 2 tablespoons of finely diced red onion. Don't forget 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper to taste. Now, let's get our main components ready. First, make sure to drain your 2 cans of tuna very well. This prevents a watery salad. Once drained, flake the tuna into a medium mixing bowl using a fork. Next, take your 3 hard-boiled eggs, peel them, and chop them into small, consistent pieces. Add these chopped eggs directly into the bowl with the flaked tuna. This combination forms the hearty base of our salad. It's time to bring everything together. Add about 1/2 cup of mayonnaise to your tuna and egg mixture. Then, incorporate the 1/4 cup of finely chopped celery and the 2 tablespoons of diced red onion for that essential texture and flavor. Now, sprinkle in 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Gently fold all the ingredients together until they are thoroughly combined and achieve a creamy, consistent texture. Be careful not to overmix. Your delicious tuna salad with eggs and mayo is now ready to enjoy. For the best experience, serve it immediately. It's fantastic on toasted bread for a classic sandwich, or try it with crisp crackers for a quick snack. For a lighter option, spoon it into fresh lettuce wraps. You can also add a sprig of fresh parsley or a dash of paprika for a lovely garnish. Store any remaining salad in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.